send me Zoloft, so I take the plane to see her. I'm so damn scared of heights, she'll have to also send more beer. With 7 shots of whiskey, when we're high up in the sky, she's gonna drug me up, so I have the balls to fly. How can I tell her no to that kind of loving play? Although she needs an extension belt that roll in the hay. I hinted about the sheets and the underneath the covers. I even sent her love notes starring us as star-crossed lovers. Oh, Krista's trying to kill me by getting me too high. You don't want to kill me, Krista. And Krista wants to take me down. Yeah, Krista's trying to kill me by getting me too high. Overdosed on so often I'm falling from the sky. What happens next? What happens when the wing bends and we lose our main direction? Landing on the moon with no more gas for Earth's connection. And what if flying pigs we win the president's election? What if there's no vodka on the menu for selection? Because Krista's trying to kill me by getting me too high. Krista wants to take me down. Krista's trying to kill me by getting me too high. Overdosed on Zoloft and falling from the sky. Overdosed on Zoloft